So in this video, I'm going to show you how can you use Claude AI skill for making your business easier for you. And this video is for someone who actually is running a local business, let's say HVAC, EB repair or solar installation from US, UK or Canada, Australia, and for someone who actually learning SEO, and for someone who actually has a client base and want to make the SEO efficient for him or her. So let's get started. First of all, I assume that you have a Claude AI account, and I would recommend to purchase the first package, like $20 per month, and then you should have a GitHub account if you want to download the GitHub Claude skill for the SEO. So all you have to do, first of all, you should go any of the browser and type this keyword GitHub Claude skill for local SEO, and then you will get thousands of result here. So all you have to do that you should go, you can go with the first 10 and filter out the best one, but in this video my intention is to show you how can you get this skill and you can implement it and you can get the efficiency. I'm not going to show you how can you filter out, because I'm assuming that you are good enough smart to filter out what is actually working on. But I find a skill which actually working so good for me. So all you have to do, you just need to go the skill and download this code from here, download zip, and then I have downloaded it earlier before making the videos. And then you should go with the Claude and plus icon, skills, manage skills, and then as you can see that I have already added the skill here, but for showing you I will uninstall it. Okay, so as you can see that browse skill, create skill, okay, upload a skill, write a skill instruction. So I will make another video. I'll make some videos for the other option, but in this video I'm going to show you how can you upload and skill existing skill you have and using it. So first of all, I'll go to add this one, SEO local. This one you have to upload. First of all, you should unzip the file, because there is a zip file it will be downloaded, and I am pretty sure that you will unzip this and then try. So as you can see that I have added the things, and I'll go for the chat, and it's by default Claude actually suggest a message, hey Claude, I just added this SEO skill, can you help me? So first of all, we should pick a business. So I actually pick this business. You can pick any business for practice, and the business owner, you should just paste your business name and your website, and then just click on the button. So as you can see that it's still working here in the backend, exhibiting all of the things, your geo, your goal signal, your competitor, everything. It's gonna finding schema markup as well. So this is the thing actually you have to do manually or using some tools and tactics. That very tedious for you. So we have to wait until it's done. I'm waiting. Scoring SEO local. OMG, I'm just literally shocked that how good is it. As you can see that it's giving us the overall score, review rating, review count, schema markup, and the important part, there is the 6-dimension breakdown. This is the most important things. As you can see that it's giving us the number. Oh, literally it's damn good than I imagine. So I believe that I picked the right one. So right one means I picked the right SEO skills. So as you can see that JBP signal. So reviews and reputation. So let me open it up. Google guaranteed blog, top trust signal, no JBP reviews widget on the site. So let me check their site. Okay, as you can see that there is no Google Business Profile widget on their site have been added, so it's need to be stored. There's a lot of things. Oh my god, local on-page SEO, and I'm pretty sure the tools can't give you the exact list like this actually, so it's gonna be very effective for you. NAP consistency and citation. So as you can see, NAP mean number, address, and phone number. It should be consistent in all of the listing, like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Yelp, Bing, Apple, everywhere, wherever you are listed, you should keep these three things same, identical. Local schema markup, let me check it. No local business schema detected on the home page. And not only that, in local link and authority Google granted page, no best list apparently detected, but still it's ranking. Oh my god, ranking the keyword. I'm searching from Bangladesh by just adding a VPN, but I feel that this keyword is low competitive in the California area. It might be. So I'm not going to analyze it. But you can see the business is number one ranking, but still there is a lot of problem need to be solved, and it gives us the top prioritize action as well: critical, high, medium. So that you can prioritize your work. First you should sort the high prioritized issues, and then medium, critical. First you should critical, high, and medium. It's giving us the most efficient data, and if you can sort just these things, your business will be jumped from here to there, I'm pretty sure. So let me tell you that why I made this video, because I'm seeing that people are making things so fancy. They are telling you that you have to do comment SEO checklist, SEO skill, and then they will give the file, and then you will download, and then you will use. So in this video, my intention is that to show you how can you find the skills and how can you use the skill on your local business analysis. So but my intention is not that how you can filter out. So you should go with the first 10 and use all of the things, and you know that you can in the Claude code you can replace the skill. You should go skill manager, and as I told you that you can replace the skill. So you can use all of the 10 and find out what is best and what giving us the best result, and then you'll go for it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions still, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much.